Good morning, class. Today we are going to read a book about farm animals. Often, farm animals are born in the spring, and we're in springtime. I can learn about farm animals. And we have our big book, Life on the Farm Animals. And here we have our author, by Lynn M. Stone, photography by Rochelle Barkowicz and Lynn M. Stone. So we have a table of contents, which means we can learn about more than one animal. Farm animals. Many North American farmers raise animals. Farmers raise animals for meat, milk, eggs, and wool. Farmers sell these products to earn a living. Beef, cattle, sheep, hogs, and chickens supply most of these products. Long ago, American farmers used some kinds of farm animals to do farm work. Working farm animals are not often used now. Machinery and equipment have taken their place in working the fields. Here we go. You good? Yeah. Most modern animal farms raise one kind of animal for sale. A dairy farm raises cattle that gives large amounts of milk. A dairy farmer is not likely to raise sheep or hogs too. Farm animals are also called domestic animals or livestock. Farmers have raised domestic animals for thousands of years. Domestic animals are much tamer than their wild cousins. They are used to being around people. The most common farm animals are cattle, horses, sheep, hogs, chickens, and turkeys. A few farmers in North America raise goats, donkeys, rabbits, mules, ducks, geese, and guinea fowl. Farmers raise many brands or breeds of each kind of farm animal. Each breed is a little different than the others. The Holstein breed of dairy cattle, for example, gives more milk than other cattle brands. Cattle. Many dairy cattle are raised on small family-owned farms. Most cows on dairy farms are female. Female cows give us milk and cream. Milk and cream can be made into butter, ice cream, cheese, and yogurt. Most beef cattle are raised on big ranches in Florida or the West. Beef cattle are used for meat. Horses. Before cars and tractors, people needed horses. People rode horses from place to place. Draft horses plowed fields and pulled wagons and sleighs. Farmers today raise horses mostly to ride for fun. A few farmers still use draft horses to pull or plow. Draft horses are heavier than riding horses. They have stronger, thicker legs too. There we go. Hogs. Farmers raise hogs for their meat. Bacon and ham are two of the meat products from hogs. Farmers raise hogs in pens, either indoors or outdoors. Pigs outdoors like to stay in mud, pools. They also like to poke their snouts into soil to find food. Hogs eat mostly corn and grain, as most farm animals do. Sheep and goats. Sheep are raised for both meat and wool. The wool is thick, warm hair that covers sheep. Mother sheep are called ewes. Their babies are called lambs.